Doba versus SaleHoo, which offers more comprehensive supplier networks. When it comes to finding reliable suppliers for your e-commerce business, Doba and SaleHoo are two names that often come up. But which one truly offers a more comprehensive supplier network? In this video, we'll break down what each platform offers and help you determine which one might be the right fit for your business needs. Let's start with Doba. Doba positions itself as a dropshipping platform that connects you to a vast network of suppliers. With over 2 million products in its database, Doba claims to offer an extensive range of items from electronics to clothing. But here's where it gets tricky. While the product selection sounds impressive, the platform's real strength is in its integration with e-commerce stores like Shopify and eBay. This makes it very easy to import products into your online store. However, some users report that the supplier network can feel a bit limited in terms of diversity, with certain categories lacking in variety. The interface is user-friendly, but it does come with a price tag, which might be a concern for new dropshippers just starting out. Next thing, SaleHoo, on the other hand, markets itself as both a supplier directory and a dropshipping platform. SaleHoo offers access to over 8,000 verified suppliers, which sounds great on paper. One of its standout features is its focus on ensuring that every supplier is vetted and verified, giving users peace of mind. The platform also offers a wide range of products across different categories, from health products to niche items, and has a reputation for quality. The main issue here is that SaleHoo is a membership-based service, and while it's more affordable than Doba, there are still ongoing fees. Additionally, the platform can feel a bit outdated in terms of design, and it lacks some of the seamless integrations that Doba offers for popular e-commerce platforms. Now, the third thing, while both platforms have their merits, the true test of their supplier networks comes down to the variety and reliability of their suppliers. Doba may have a larger product catalog, but SaleHoo stands out with its strict vetting process, making it a safer choice for long-term businesses that rely on supplier reliability. However, Doba's integration options are incredibly convenient for those using major e-commerce platforms, which might make it the better option for beginners who are just starting out and need simplicity over diversity. Fourth thing, when you compare customer support, SaleHoo tends to come out on top with better resources and a more responsive team. Doba has support available, but some users report slower response times and less helpful advice, especially when dealing with supplier issues. If you're new to dropshipping, having robust support could make a big difference, especially when things don't go according to plan. At the end of the day, both Doba and SaleHoo have solid offerings, but if you're looking for a comprehensive supplier network that combines both quality and variety, you might be left wanting more with either option. Personally, after testing both, I've found that neither platform is perfect when it comes to providing the absolute best, most reliable supplier networks for your dropshipping business. If you want an even more comprehensive, reliable, and diverse set of suppliers than either Doba or SaleHoo offers, check out the link in the description for a free trial of a platform I've tried myself. This platform offers exclusive benefits and is a game changer for finding suppliers who are a better fit for your specific goals. Just be sure to take advantage of the free trial through the link for the best possible deal, available only to our viewers. Trust me, after exploring all of these platforms, this alternative will be worth your time.